Curious how faceless YouTube channels are pulling in millions of views and earning thousands of dollars with simple, viral marble music videos? In this video, I'll break down how you can create similar content right from your mobile phone in just a few minutes and avoid any copyright issues along the way. We'll take a look at some of the top faceless channels for inspiration. For example, one channel has uploaded just 122 videos, yet gained over 5 million subscribers. Their most popular videos are straightforward but cleverly done. And they're not alone. Other virtual 3D channels and creators like CC Music Ball have found success by keeping content simple, visually appealing, and in line with trends. While many of these creators use advanced tools like Blender, I'll show you an easier way to do it all from your phone. We'll go over everything in 3 steps: setting up the app, creating the video, and editing the final product. Step 1, installing the app. First, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Beat Bounce Ball Game. Download and install the app. It's available for both Android and iPhone users. This app is the key to creating of your video. Once you've installed the app, open it up. Before we dive into making a video, you'll need to play through some levels to unlock more customization options. Completing these initial levels is essential as it allows you to access all the features we'll use in video creation. Step 2, creating the video. With the app set up, let's create our video. Start by navigating to the Songs section within the app, where you'll see a few levels to choose from. Select one of the available levels and press Start. The goal here is simple. Tap the screen as the ball bounces on various objects, following the beat of the music. This interactive part lets you get comfortable with the gameplay while building up content. After you complete a level, press Next, then Continue, and go back to the home screen. Now it's time to start recording. You have 2 options for background music. Use the app's built-in tracks or import your own. To use the app's music, go to the New or Popular Songs sections and select a track. Before starting the level, activate record mode so that the ball automatically follows the beat. Then tap the record button. You can use either your phone's screen recorder or the game's internal recording feature. I recommend the game's built-in recorder for higher quality footage, and your video will save directly to your gallery. Step 3, avoiding copyright issues. One of the biggest hurdles on YouTube is managing copyright with music. To keep things simple, use AI-generated music or royalty-free tracks. Many faceless channels use sites like Upbeat for music, and I'll show you how to add your own songs directly within the app. Open the User Levels section and select Level Editor Beta. Here you can choose from sample music or upload your own. Note that the app requires music in MIDI format, so if you have an MP3 file, you'll need to convert it. I'll include a link to an online MIDI converter in the description. After converting, transfer the file to your phone's Downloads folder. Back in the app, tap Import, select your MIDI file, and add in the artist's name. Set the difficulty to Easy, tap Next, and choose an instrument that suits your song. Preview your track to make sure it fits, then save your changes. With the music set up, let's customize your video in the level editor. Begin by selecting your ball's color in the Ball section. Then move on to lighting to adjust the background ambiance, such as day or night settings. Keep the background clean for a professional look. To add a special touch, use Particle FX to create a cool animation effect for the ball. Once the core visuals are set, you can add additional elements. Tap Next Object repeatedly to add items like rails, tubes, or even text. Consider placing a watermark by choosing the text option and typing in your channel name to protect your content. Position it strategically so that it's noticeable but not intrusive. If the ball gets stuck at any point, you can delete the affected object or change its direction to continue the gameplay. Complete the level 100% and press Publish. The app will prompt you to test it, so ensure record mode is active with your screen recorder ready to capture. Step 4. Editing the video. With your recording done, the video will save to your phone's gallery. You can now transfer it to a PC for further editing or use a mobile app like CapCut. Open CapCut, import the video, and drag it to the timeline. Trim out any unwanted sections, such as watermarks, to polish the final product. Once edited, your video is ready for upload. Key tips for success and monetization. Before hitting publish, keep this in mind. Avoid copyrighted music. Stick to AI-generated or royalty-free music for easy monetization. Websites like Upbeat offer a variety of free music options, or you can generate your own tracks with AI tools to keep your content safe. Experiment with different ball designs, lighting options, and backgrounds to make each video unique. The more creative and visually engaging your content, the higher your chances of attracting viewers. Adding a watermark with your channel's name also helps protect your content from unauthorized use. Success in this niche relies on consistency. Keep experimenting, uploading, and learning from each video you create. With time, you'll master the process and start seeing your views and subscriber count grow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more content creation tips. Let's start making some viral videos together.